Namaste, welcome back to the Pragna channel. You are watching AWS Card Clash, which is an architecture game. Card game, I would say card game. All right. If you are in the second video, I hope you enjoyed the first video. If you haven't watched the first video, I will highly recommend you to watch it because I explained you how the game works. So let's jump into the level 2. Let's see what this is about. So this game or this level is about regions and zones. So let's go ahead and learn. And what are the cards that are involved in this one? Local zones, outposts, region, Amazon VPC, and wavelengths. Let's see. I never used wavelength or outposts or local zones, so this is an interesting one. Let's start. And this doesn't need any security cards, whether IAM or security group. That's why you didn't see any. Okay, so this is our architecture diagram. Already opponent is playing. Both has 3 points, 3 points, and this one only has 28 cards. Okay, so he already placed, I would call that a local zone. Okay, so if you look at the architecture diagram, first let's see, do we have any place? No. So see, this is the game gets tougher. I don't have any energy, so I have to deal with only 3 energy that I have left. We clearly knows this is a region, so you can place the region which is consumes 2 energy, and here corporate data center. So this will be outposts only. You will have outpost in the corporate data center, but do I have any outposts? I don't. And what is this? This is a subnet. This is a local zone, so I would assume AWS wavelength. I think that's what they are looking for, and I think this is a VPC. Yep, that's what it is about. So I don't need, I don't know why I have 2 wavelengths. I can just ignore them. I can put one them. I don't need this one. Unless he steals it, that's another story. And VPC only 1, 2, but I only have energy, 1 energy, so I cannot place any of these cards, but I will have them. I will have this because I want to steal his local zones. Because if you don't steal, then you won't score that 65%, which means you won't get 3 stars. So I will have that. I cannot steal his because to steal I need at least 3 energy and I don't have that. So I will leave this as is, but I will remove 1 VPC. If you keep all the cards here, you won't get any new cards. I mean, you won't get many new cards. I want energy. So let's end this turn and hope he won't steal my wavelength. Okay, he already placed outpost. He scored 4 marks, 4 points. Okay, let's see. See, I didn't get again energy. So these are all useless for me. I cannot do anything. Every round you will get 1 point, but I need more. Outpost, I cannot steal his because I need 3 energy. Should I place one of these? If I place one of these, the problem is he can place the regions and the game will be done. And you can see the score is not that great. So I am not going to place anything right now. Yeah, I'll just leave this. If he gets both the cards, then game is done. We have to replay again. Okay, he didn't get any energy as well. That is good. Good, he is scrapping all. Yeah, finally we got some energy, so let's put it there. And the key to getting more points is, or 3 stars is, steal his ones. By stealing, you are going to get 2 points. He will get 2 minus, right? So for example, what should I steal? I will steal the wavelength. Oh no, wavelength is ours. Let me steal his local zones. Okay, now I get 2 points and his minus 2, which is good, right? And I can place one of these. If I had 2 extra points, I would have finished the game, but I don't. So let's place this and let's hope he won't steal our things. So let's end the turn. Yeah, if he places, the game will be done, by the way. Let's hope he don't have regions. No. Yeah, you see, I won, but still I don't think I got 65%, so it will be 2 star. Let's see. Yeah, 60. So I don't think I'll get 3 stars. See, 60% doesn't give you 3 stars, only 2 stars. So that's about this round. But as you already know, I'm not going to play for a 3-star because I already have 3 stars in all of them. If you watched the first round, you would have known. So that's about level 2, guys. I hope you learned about these different cards or different services where local zones, outposts, which we have seen will be in the on-premise center, and then you have seen wavelength for mobiles and etc. And then Amazon VPC and region. So see you in the next level. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. All the best for your examinations if you are writing. And thank you very much for hanging out here. Peace out.